Hi, my name is Benjamin Kepner of Global Social Media Marketing. I'm the CEO and founder, and I just wanted to give a kind of quick, brief introduction of my company and just an inspirational quote. So Global Social Media Marketing is a marketing and education technology company. We're headquartered in Denver, Colorado. Currently our team sits at 11 people across the world, and I'm also a Google for Education certified trainer. We now currently have managed over 60 companies online in 20 different industries with our multilingual team. So for any of these aspiring entrepreneurs out here with technology innovations, you're trying to get your product out there, your name out there, please reach out to me and expand into new horizons. In regards to just kind of the inspirational talk, I just wanted to say thank you to InterCon conference for recognizing me and my company. I couldn't be here without the success of my team, and also just want to say that I'm really inspired by all the people here as fellow entrepreneurs and CEOs. A lot of people don't understand the amount of work ethic that we have to go through, the sacrifices and the commitment. And to the gentleman that spoke earlier about reaching dreams, I just want to say there's been a lot of people that told me about how I can't accomplish my dreams, that I can't do this, that I should change jobs, that I wasn't good enough, that I wasn't smart enough, that I didn't have good enough health, or didn't have the right resources. And today I'm standing in front of you as a top technology company at a major conference in Las Vegas. So here's to those people that said that I couldn't do this, and hey, I'm gonna keep going and get busy living. Thanks.